Alright guys, thanks for watching my new video. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into analyzing this incredible channel and show you exactly how to make similar videos yourself. This tutorial was requested by one of our lovely fans, so shout out to you for the awesome suggestion. Okay, so this channel only has 74 shorts videos, but already has almost 1.5 million subscribers. What's even crazier is that the channel was created on Feb 5, 2025. Yeah, you heard me right. Just about 2 months ago. And their total views? Over 300 million. That's absolutely mind-blowing, right? Just from YouTube ad revenue alone, they're easily pulling in at least $12,000. Pretty tempting, huh? Want to give it a shot? Honestly, making these kinds of videos isn't too complicated. It boils down to just 4 simple steps. Story scripting, AI image generation, image-to-video animation, editing. If you're interested in creating videos like this, make sure you watch this tutorial carefully till the end. If you finish and still don't get it, feel free to roast me in the comments. Alright, enough chit-chat. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share the channel. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Creating the story script. Here's where we bring in ChatGPT. Drag the target video into ChatGPT and let it analyze the plot. Now, if your GPT is like mine and can't recognize videos, don't panic. Just enable the search feature and paste the target video's link. This way, ChatGPT can analyze it smoothly. You'll need ChatGPT Plus for this feature, but if you don't have it, DeepSeek works great too. Now, let's create a story. Paste in this prompt. Don't worry about it. I've already prepared all the prompts for you. Just join my WhatsApp channel via the link in the video description, and you'll find a handy document with all the prompts. Back in ChatGPT, you can see it generated 3 different stories, each with 20 scenes. Looks pretty good. I'll use the first story as an example and let ChatGPT generate image prompts and animation prompts scene by scene. Paste the provided text, hit send, and bam! Just like that, we have our detailed image and animation prompts ready to go. Step 2. AI image generation. If you're a ChatGPT Plus member, you can use GPT-4o directly to create images. Let's generate an image from Scene 1's prompt as a demo, making sure it's set to a 9:16 ratio. Pretty nice quality, right? But today, I'll demonstrate a more universal method for those without ChatGPT Plus, using Piclumen AI, a totally free tool. It's really easy and the link is right in the video description. Let's generate the first image. Copy the first prompt, head to Piclumen AI, click Create, select the Piclumen Art V1 model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then click Advanced Settings. Set seed to fixed and input any number you like. This keeps your images consistent. Paste your prompt here, but double check and add any fixed keywords to keep your visuals consistent. For example, I added cat color orange, so every cat stays orange. After adjusting, hit Generate. How's the image? Pretty solid, huh? Keep generating each scene this way, downloading the best images. Remember, if an image isn't quite right, tweak your prompts and regenerate. Now we've got our images ready. Step 3. Image to video animation. I'll use both Kling AI and Hailuo AI to speed things up. They both offer free credits. Open Hailuo AI, click Create, upload each image, and tweak your prompts slightly, like changing whiskers to the cat. Then click Generate. Repeat for all your images, and again, if something's off, adjust your prompts and regenerate. Quick tip: if you run out of credits, creating multiple accounts is always an option. So far, not too tough, right? Step 4. Editing. Launch CapCut and import your clips. Drag each one onto the timeline in order. Pro tip: if there are many clips, numbering them beforehand saves tons of time. Next, trim each clip. Keep your video under 1 minute. 57 to 59 seconds is perfect. Add transitions. I prefer the black fade transition. Click Apply to All. Now add sound effects and background music. For shorts, you can use music from your target video. Since mine is a long-form video, I chose safe music instead. Remember to delete any excess music at the end. Finally, remove any watermarks. Press Command+A to select all clips, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip, then click Resize and crop the watermark out from the bottom. Drag your video to fill the canvas completely. Do a final check to ensure no watermarks remain and you're ready to export. That's it. The entire production process is done. Did you get everything? All right, let's check out the final result together. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Each week, I'll bring you brand new niche ideas and video making tutorials. If there's a niche you'd like to see covered, let me know in the comments below. One more thing, please don't forget to click the link in this video description to join our WhatsApp channel and get full prompts and get earlier access for my latest video. And I recommend you come to my channel often. You never know. You might find new inspiration to grow your channel and make extra money online. Alright, catch you in the next video, and good luck.